Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Spider-Man Superman by PARTYNEXTDOOR and Drake. I'm going to give you the chord progression. I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you the plucking pattern. There's going to be timestamps down in the description and the pinned comment below, so refer to that if you get lost. But first, here's a preview of what it's going to sound like. So as you can see, I have a capo here on the 4th fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You need to know 3 chords for the song. Those 3 chords are A minor 7, B minor 7, and C major 7. All right, and here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. So first chord is an A minor 7. We're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. Next chord is a B minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret, and we're putting our fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. And that last chord is a C major 7. We're going to play an open C major 7 chord, so we're just going to put our fingers on the 2nd fret of the D string and the 3rd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. So if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I want you to take note is on the C major 7, it's actually going to be played on the 4th note when we're at the B minor 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then that C major 7 rings out for 2 4 counts. So for the plucking pattern, it's going to go like this. And just an FYI, we are going to utilize hammering onto the strings, just the B string though, and I'll explain that in a minute. So we're going to take it from the A minor 7. What we're doing is we're plucking individually the 4 middle strings, so A, D, G. Now keep in mind for the B string, take that finger off of the B string on the 1st fret, but when you hit that B string, you want to hammer on to that B string on the 1st fret. So it's going to sound like this. All right, again. So make sure you get that hammer on effect. So in real time, and you could hammer off too, or you could just stay with it. Okay, now we're going to do something similar on the B minor 7. So we're going to take it from the B minor 7. We're going to pluck those same strings again, but this time when we pluck the B string, we're going to use our pinky, and we're going to hammer on to the B string on the 5th fret. So, and you can hammer off too if you like, or you could just keep it there if you want to. And then for the C major 7 chord, we're just going to strum it all the way down just once. And since the C major 7 chord gets 2 4 counts, to fill in that extra space at the end, sometimes I'll just pluck the strings individually. So I'll do something like this. All right, so all together it's going to go like this. All right, and that's how you play the song. As always, guys, I appreciate you tapping into this video. I hope that this tutorial helped you out. If you got confused or you have any comments about it, or questions, please go ahead and comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And while I have your attention, please go ahead and follow my other social media pages. I have TikTok and I have Instagram. I'm going to link those both down in the description as well as in the pinned comment below. Right now, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen that I think you will like. Go ahead and check that one out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.